Welcome to the Microsoft Ads Training Kit Chapter 48. How to download Ad Performance Report from Dashboard. In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at how to download Ad Performance Report from Dashboard, step by step. So let's get started. So from our Microsoft Ads dashboard, select Reports from the top, then select Reports, Performance and then Ad. Here you need to make general settings, choose Format, then choose your columns, add columns, remove or rearrange them. Next we have Filter. You can add filter from here, and then we have my report settings. Let's start with general settings, select Summary for Show, then select your date, range and format and click on Run button. So this is how you can download Ad Performance Report from Dashboard. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to Chapter 49. How to use Reports menu. Inside that video, we are going to take a look at how to use Reports menu, step by step. See you in the next tutorial.